Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of a very hard to find and rare unit. This thing is a 22 Princeton PB. Now this thing has a 10-foot mast. It's brand new, ladies and gentlemen. It has 4 hours on it. Turned out a customer didn't need it, so you have yourself a full factory warranty, the remaining warranty. Now let's take a look here. As you can see, everything is brand new. And I'm going to go ahead and show you all the little details here. Underneath the seat here, you can get to the hydraulic filler. You can fill your hydraulic tank there, ladies and gentlemen. Show you the engine here. Kubota power, ladies and gentlemen. All new fluids, ready to hit the ground running. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and show you how she runs. There's your Kubota coming to life. Mass up and down. Pantograph in and out. Tilt. Side shift. Now there's your outriggers. What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? It's new, 4 hours on it. So, ladies and gentlemen, you give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching the video.